Hi and welcome to the display corner of the warehouse today here at CDS for another video on transparent OLED. Our Clearview OLEDs have been going down really well in the market. People are really adopting to this transparent technology over the last few years, and now we have another twist on it. So this is a stretched transparent OLED. So a lot of people love the stretch displays, a lot of people like the transparent OLEDs. Mix the two together and you have a wonderful, wonderful product. So this one is 48-inch, 1920 by 540. Lovely bright cell on this one, optically bonded to this lovely cover glass. And the extra cherry on the cake for this one is we also have touch. So this one is running with a PCAP touch as well. So a really top level product. Very nice build quality on this one, and it fits a lovely niche in the market where you want to combine these two technologies. So it looks really fantastic out there with your products and defining your brand as well. We'll do a quick cutaway showing you around the product now, and so you can learn a bit more about it. This one has your basic HDMI inputs, USB for the touch, and you can run it from any source that you wish to run it from. If you'd like more information on this, do click the links below, take you to our website, contact us, and we'll be able to help you out, I'm sure. Thank you.